Wuxi SMARAAD New Energy Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise headquartered in Wuxi, Jiangsu, near Shanghai Port, specialized in research, design, supply, and sales in new energy products for many years. We are committed to providing as economical, clean, renewable energy and socially responsible lifestyles as possible for our future generations. We have wind turbine system, solar systems, permanent magnet generator, which suitable for wind turbine, hydro turbine, and energy storage system for wind turbine and solar system. Our mainly products is vertical and horizontal complete wind turbine system from 100 to 500 kilowatt, 100 to 600 kilowatt solar panel, wind and solar hybrid system for all kinds of projects. Energy storage system, like UPS system. We have our own experienced research and technician team who could design and customize top reliable and flexible solutions to meet our clients' requirement. OEM and ODM service are both acceptable. We have 6 cooperated warehouses in Poland, Spain, Russian, Brazil, and Saudi Arabic. Many agents in EU and Mid-East. Best performance with long-term warranty and good after-sale is our pursuit for clients. Our products have sold to more than 30 countries like Mid-East, America, Australia, South Africa, South American, most of EU countries like Netherlands, Poland, Sweden, and so on. Our sales amount rapidly increased year by year. Welcome more and more agents and distributors to join us.
SMARAAD